Hey everybody, this is Oren from Bento Desk, and I wanted to show you an error that I ran into when I was using MSI Afterburner to overclock my EVGA RTX 3080 and how to resolve that problem if you run into it yourself. So first of all, I wanted to use the Afterburner OC scanner, the one-click overclocking scanner that's built into MSI Afterburner. And it's a really neat feature that makes it really simple to overclock your graphics card if you're green in that area like I am. Now, if you open up MSI Afterburner like I have here, if you click on the overclocking scanner, so this is my current interface, your interface might look differently. If you look at the tutorial blog on MSI Afterburner's website, you'll see that their interface looks quite a bit different. There are a lot of different skins for Afterburner. For this skin that I'm using, the overclock scanner is right here. It looks like a little magnifier glass with the letter C afterwards. So if you click on that, you'll see the error that I run into. It says MSIO C scanner underscore x64.exe system error. The code execution cannot proceed because MSVCP140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. One thing I want you to note is that the program that's trying to use this file, this .dll file, it's an x64 or a 64-bit program. You'll need to know that. I'll show you why as we solve this. So again, this is the MSIOC scanner underscore x64.exe that can't locate this file here. If I click on OK, we'll see a second error. MSIOC scanner underscore x64.exe system error. The code execution cannot proceed because the VC runtime 140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So I'll click OK. So we can't run our one-click scanner, our overclocking scanner right now, because we're running into those errors. So how do we get past them? Well, thank you to Valgus on Reddit, who points us in the correct direction. We're missing a Visual C++ redistributable. So from here, Valgus gives us a link to Microsoft's website. We're going to learn.microsoft.com, and you can see the entire link here in my browser. I'll post the link to this in my description of this video. And this is the link that takes you to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads. This is the page we need to go to. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. And as of recording this video, the latest version is 14.42.34433.0. Now, I mentioned earlier that the program that's trying to access those two files is a 64-bit program. So we need the x64 version specifically to solve this problem. It's not a bad idea to get the x86 version too, but we don't need both for this problem, at least on my computer. So I'm just going to install the 64-bit version. But if you want, you can install the x86 or 32-bit version as well. Now, I've already downloaded this executable. So let me find it on my desktop here. And I'm going to install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable x64 14.42.34438. And I do agree to the license terms and conditions. We'll click on install. And I got a UAC window that I don't think you can see, but I'm going to click on yes. It's asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, we do. So we'll let that install. Setup successful. It's a very simple installation. Goes very quickly. So now that that's installed, we should be able to use this now. So let's click on it. And there we go. MSI Overclocking Scanner connected to MSI Afterburner control interface version 2.3. Perfect. No longer running into that error. Now, as I mentioned on MSI's website, on their blog, they have a little guide on how to use that one-click overclocking scanner and how to overclock with this simple tool. So I will also include a link to this guide as well to help you with your overclocking of your graphics card. So exciting stuff. If you ran into that error, hopefully this video will help you get past it. And I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.